Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever cooked salmon at home, taken one bite, and thought, yeah, this isn't it? Maybe it was dry. Maybe it smelled too fishy. Maybe you followed the recipe exactly and it still didn't taste right. I've been there. And for the longest time, I honestly believed that really good salmon was something you could only eat at restaurants. Until one day, everything changed. Today I'm going to show you a fresh, simple, unbelievably delicious way to cook salmon, a method that completely transformed how I eat fish at home. And I promise you this, once you try this, you'll never cook salmon the same way again. Let's talk truth for a moment. Salmon isn't hard to cook, it's just easy to ruin. Most people make the same mistakes: overcooking it, using too much heat, adding the wrong flavors, or cooking it straight from the fridge. And when salmon is overcooked, it becomes dry, tough, smelly, and honestly disappointing. That's why so many people say, I want to eat healthy, but I don't enjoy fish. The problem isn't salmon. The problem is how it's cooked. Before we cook, let's talk about why salmon deserves a place in your kitchen. Salmon is high in protein, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, great for heart health, amazing for brain function, fantastic for skin and hair, and perfect for weight-friendly meals. It's one of the few foods that is healthy, filling, and deeply satisfying, but only when it's cooked right. The mindset shift 6 o'clock to 7:30? Here's the mindset shift that changed everything for me. Salmon is delicate, not difficult. You respect it. When you slow down, when you stop overcomplicating, salmon rewards you with flavor. And the method I'm about to show you does exactly that. Ingredients simple and clean, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. You don't need fancy ingredients. Here's what we'll use. Fresh salmon fillets, skin on or off. Both work. Olive oil or butter, salt, black pepper, garlic fresh, not powder, lemon, fresh herbs, parsley or dill. That's it. No heavy sauces, no sugar, no unnecessary calories. Step 1. Prep the salmon 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. This step alone fixes 50% of cooking mistakes. Take your salmon out of the fridge 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. Why? Because cold salmon hitting a hot pan cooks unevenly. Outside overcooks, inside stays raw. Pat it dry with a paper towel. Moisture is the enemy of good salmon. Season simply, salt, black pepper. That's all for now. Step 2. The heat matters, 12 o'clock to 15 o'clock. Put your pan on medium heat, not high. Add olive oil or butter. Let the pan heat properly. If your pan is screaming hot, you're already too late. Salmon likes steady, calm heat, not aggression. Step 3. The cooking method, 15 o'clock to 22 o'clock. Place the salmon gently into the pan. If it has skin, start skin side down. Do not touch it. Do not poke it. Do not flip it early. Let it cook peacefully. You'll notice the color slowly changing from the bottom up. This is exactly what you want. When the salmon releases naturally from the pan, that's your sign. Flip once. Cook briefly on the other side. Add garlic butter, a squeeze of lemon spoon, the melted butter over the salmon gently. This is where the magic happens. It's the moment of truth. 22 o'clock to 24 o'clock. Turn off the heat. Yes, turn it off. Salmon continues cooking from residual heat. Overcooking by even 30 seconds can ruin it. Let it rest. The first bite experience, 24 o'clock to 26 minutes and 0 seconds. This is the moment. When you cut into the salmon, it flakes softly. It's moist inside. It smells fresh, not fishy. And when you taste it, it's rich. It's buttery. It melts. This is the kind of salmon that makes people say, I didn't know salmon could taste like this. Why this method works 26 minutes and 0 seconds to 30 minutes and 0 seconds. This method works because controlled heat protects moisture. Minimal seasoning enhances natural flavor. Butter basting adds richness without heaviness. Resting keeps it juicy. Simple techniques. Big results. Health benefits 30 minutes and 0 seconds to 33 minutes and 0 seconds. This recipe is low carb, high protein, clean eating, friendly weight, conscious, family friendly, perfect for dinner meal prep, healthy lifestyle. Common mistakes to avoid. 33 minutes and 0 seconds to 36 minutes and 0 seconds. Overcooking, cooking straight from fridge, high heat. Too many spices, flipping too often. Salmon doesn't need chaos. It needs calm. Final thoughts. 36 minutes and 0 seconds to 38 minutes and 0 seconds. If you've ever said, I don't like salmon, I want you to try this once. Not for me, for yourself. Because healthy food should taste amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe to Healthy Oz Vibes, turn on notifications, comment below and tell me how it turned out. More healthy, simple, real-life recipes are coming your way.